You are already doing PhD,
No sir, I was only selected for that.
but there is a gap of 4 years. In 2020, you completed your post-graduation.
2000, yes sir.
Then what are you doing till now?
I prepare for GATE for 2 years. Then I
Achha.
selected for PhD,
Ah.
but I was not expecting to get selected. And then I accidentally came for this civil service preparation.
This is your first attempt.
Yes sir.
Huh?
Yes sir.
What the difference between physics and astrophysics?
Astrophysics is a branch of physics, sir.
So there is no difference.
Difference, yes sir. It's just like a sub branch. Physics is a very vast subject.
Yes.
Astrophysics is just a particular branch of physics.
Just explain us in a common language, common man's language.
Astrophysics means studying particular astronomical objects, kind like sun, moon, or anything astronomical object.
So what is the purpose of our visit to space?
Sir,
Why every state, by every country now is in a hurry to send?
yes sir.
Why?
So there are two reasons. The first one is, I think, scientific reason is that unless we send satellite, we cannot know about the, for example, communication problems or defense. These things need space explorations and satellite technology. And the second thing is, I think, sir, political reason also. Anyone who reached the space first, just like our Chandrayaan 3 attempt, we reached south pole of the moon. It was a very political pride for our country to be the first one to get there.
Only political pride.
Not sir.
So what is the
pride.
scientific achievement involved in it?
It was the first Chandrayaan had hinted about presence of water, sir, there. Chandrayaan mission. So that the second one got failed. Then third one we tried to confirm that. That's why we landed on the south pole. Because there
why in south pole? That was my point.
Yes sir, because sun rays there are many craters and sun rays fall there slantly. So
in south pole.
Yes sir, so within those craters there are places where sun rays never reaches.
Achha.
So there are many chances, most probably there are water vapors or something present there, sir.
What will India get out of it? We don't have water on planet Earth. We are going to see whether water is there or not.
No sir.
Is this the purpose for which we spent so much?
No sir. But can I take 1 minute? Yes sir, I got it. Sir, at the outskirts this looks like something we are wasting of money. Just like when Galileo discovered radio waves. I think Galileo. What is the first question was that Galileo? I don't remember. Marconi, I think, sir. Marconi. He discovered when he discovered radio waves first time. Then the first time scientific community asked the question. Then what? What is the use of this wave? But today we know what is the radio wave is capable of.
But what was the purpose of Chandrayaan mission 3? It is to discover whether water is available.
No sir.
Is it so? No.
That was not the sole purpose. The Chandrayaan 1 already confirmed that there is water in moon. The Chandrayaan 3 was for analyzing samples, like taking the rover was there that would collect samples of rocks from there and analyze it through spectroscopy and different means, so that we can better understand if there is something there truly or not. I mean, yes sir.
Yeah, creation of the universe.
Yes sir, that was also.
Then creation of the planet, stars.
Yes sir.
Origin of the species, availability of water, availability of minerals.
Yes sir.
Then use of the space for earth benefit, like the atmosphere, meteorology, putting some station there, then establishing our authority. Okay, as you rightly mentioned, there is a global competition in the space exploration. Okay, so we are in that competition also.
Yes.
Okay.
So whether the law of gravity operates there
Yes sir.
in moon?
Yes sir.
The same
in
rate?
space?
Yes sir. Everywhere.
Everywhere. It is more or less in space.
Gravity is less.
Gravity.
Less.
Less.
Yes, sir.
So how are you able to enter into space?
How are you, sir? I cannot get your question.
Now, how the particular rocket is able to penetrate to that sphere?
Through Newton's third law, action and reaction, sir.
Why India took so many days to reach moon, whereas America, Russia and China, they took only some days to reach moon?
Sir,
What is the difference?
I think it was.
No, you don't think.
It
You
was
tell the
lack
fact.
of.
You tell the.
Yes, sir. It was lack of scientific. It was lack of investment in those areas of science. The ISRO was set up, I think, in 1960s, sir, and it was just.
I am asking you about Chandrayaan 3.
Yes, sir.
It took, I think, a number of 2-3 months
Yes, sir.
to reach the south pole of moon.
Yes, sir.
Whereas the American, they use the technology, American, Russian, Chinese, they send rockets which reach much earlier.
Because we used the technology which uses very less fuel.
You touched one point.
And second thing, sir, America has not reached the South Pole till now.
Not south pole, but it has reached moon.
Reaching moon is very, at least quite easy, sir, for now. The South Pole is too difficult for us.
That is different. But you were able
Up
to
to
reach
moon,
moon.
up to moon, the journey period.
Journey.
Yes, sir.
The journey period from Earth to moon,
Yes, sir.
as he was asking you,
Yes,
it is less compared to India in case of America. Why? What are the factors?
When the space shuttle
Sir,
took more time, Indian space shuttle took more time.
we use a transfer orbit, sir. They
Yes.
don't use transfer orbit.
Yes, they straightway
Yes, sir.
send it to moon.
Yes, sir. But that is very costly.
Why you are lagging behind? What is the advantage of that? What is the disadvantage of ours?
Advantage of that is that technology is simple, but that is too costly.
We spent how much?
I don't remember the exact figure.
450 crores or something. I remember it is 450
Around
crores or something. 450 crores. What they spent?
They spent much, sir. That is much more than that. That is, I think 10.
When it is the power of the rocket that
Yes.
matters.
Yes, sir.
Good. You have, opted to be interviewed in English or Odia there in your
English.
English. Good. So can you explain the black hole
Yes, sir. Black hole is a area.
in common man's perception?
Yes, sir. Black hole is a area of space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from that place. No energy is enough to escape from that gravitational pull.
No, this is not common man's explanation. I am a common man, I am a farmer, I am a villager.
Yes, sir.
I don't have the knowledge of science, not to talk of astrophysics.
Sir.
Explain me what is black hole vis-a-vis Big Bang.
Black hole is a place. Black hole is a object.
See,
Sir.
try to come back to your subject, cosmology.
Sir.
You know cosmos?
Yes, sir.
In general terms we call it universe.
Sir.
So explain that way.
Sir, I will explain
Yes.
what is Big Bang.
No, I am not asking Big Bang. You will come to black hole
Sir.
by explaining all these things so that one can understand what is black hole.
Like, I am not able to get your
Get
sir,
me,
point, sir.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Light will go into it, but light will not come out of it. Black hole. আমি যাহা পড়িଥିଲେ পাঠ।
Black hole, it's a concept of, contraction and expansion
Sir, I
of
know.
the universe.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
It started from
Big Bang.
Big Bang. So we are going towards expansion,
Sir,
then suddenly
it may contract
contraction to which point?
to singularity.
one singular point.
Sir,
That is the black hole.
no.
No, explain that.
Yes, sir. I can do. Black hole is something different from that singularity we talk about in Big Bang. The Big Bang singularity is the origin of space and time itself. There was nothing like
No space,
gravity,
no time,
nothing.
Yes.
The space expanded into itself. Not we can say that from outside universe we can point that is singularity. Nothing like that. The universe created on its own. That is
Just can I
universe.
interrupt here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what was before Big Bang?
So that no one knows. No one knows.
No one knows. Okay. Science does not know.
No, sir.
Who knows?
That is also a great question, sir. I don't know.
Hello.
But the religion says they know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But science is silent on that.
What happened?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Then go on.
Oh,
Then, yes, sir. Then
Oh.
the Big Bang is a point where space expanded onto itself. But the black hole is a concept where it can originate from anything. I think anywhere. In fact, we can say that there can be tiny black holes originating in the LHC also. But we have not detected at any place. But general relativity never ruled out that possibility. There is nothing like the Big Bang singularity we can ever think of observing in the LHC. The energy scale there operating at the Big Bang is too many times the energy scales at which black hole or the singular point of black hole operates. And this black hole, if we say the daily black hole we observe in the space, those are the reminiscent of the stars. Those stars which have of about mass of more than 20 sun solar mass, when they die, they turn into a black hole. So that's just a part of universe, not the universe into itself. Yes, sir.
So this process of expansion of the universe,
Sir,
how long will it continue? Nobody knows.
no one knows, sir.
Then how do the scientists predict that at a particular point of time it will start contracting?
Yes, sir. No, we can, sir. Since the beginning was a Big Bang,
Yes.
there is no concrete evidence that it will contract. But when we think that there was a Big Bang, from a point we developed, the whole universe is developed.
But how could they know that it is expanding?
Because of Doppler effect, sir. Doppler effect is when you observe something from, sir, in easy terms, when a very fast vehicle which is sounding its horn, when it passes by you, then it suddenly the sound, when it was stable, then the horn sound is very, sir, can I speak in
Yes,
word?
yes.
तो जितेबाला बाइकटा कि कारटा हॉर्नटा मारे जितेबाला से स्टेबल होगी थाए ता हॉर्नटा गोटे बहुत ही सेम पिच रे आसता है कि जितेबाला से आम सामना जाकि क्रॉस कर जीवो तो फास्ट दूर रे जितेबाला थी धीरे 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 हॉर्नटा लाउड हो जीवो टिके पिच बढ़ी बढ़ी जीवो वन्स आपण सामना जितेबाला आसीजो हाईएस्ट पिच आपण सुनाओ कि दूर को जितेबाला पळेबो से ता पिचटा धीरे 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 चेंज होगा लागिवो सेम इफेक्ट लाइट रे भी देखाबो
आहुरी तार सरल भाषा रे कहबो गाँ रे पोखरी देखिछ
सर
पोखरी रे टेका पकेइछ
सर
ता तरंग देखिछ
सर
that explains better,
यस सर
isn't?
यस सर
ସେଇଠି बिग बैंग तापर धीरे 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 आसला ओके दैट इज दैट एनीवे जस्ट आमको बुझा वी आर नॉट साइंस स्टूडेंट्स
सर सर
तुम जो कहल यूनिवर्स रे विभिन्न जगह सब ब्लैक होल अच्छे केमती आम सब जाना जे एटा ब्लैक होल एठी तार रिपरकशन एठी आम फील करूचु कि somebody has observed कि the technology has captured it just explain
सर ब्लैक होल को ऑब्जर्व करिया इन ओडिया
जेमिति कहछ
सर ब्लैक होल को ऑब्जर्व करिया एमती किसी डिफरेंट एडा नहीं आम पाखे माने गोटे स्टार रो ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड जदि आपण इवेंट होराइजन जो ब्लैक होल रो माने मेन जो जोन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस अछि ता बाहर अछु जदि ताले गोटे स्टार रो ग्रेविटी मुझे आखिटा बंद कर देबी ताले गोटे स्टार रो ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड और ब्लैक होल रो ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड भीतर किसी फरक नहीं बट केते केते बेले तो ऑब्जर्व केमती करिया ऑब्जर्व है कि जिते बड़े आम टेलीस्कोप रे देखू अचानक गोटे पॉइंट रे स्टार टा गोटे सडन बैंड करिया स्टार्ट कर जाउची माने ता पाथ रे अचानक डेविएशन आछि बड़ बड़ स्टार गुडांकर जदि गोटे पाथ स्टार डेविएट करने पे बहुत ह्यूज ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स दरकार छोट बड़ बड़ स्टार को पाखे भी से ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स न था कि से बड़ मैंने बेंड करेंगे कि आम से सेम प्लेस को ऑब्जर्व करें आमको किसी देखा हुए तो से जगह अच्छी कौन तो प्रोबेबली से जगह गोटे ब्लैक होल अच्छी तो आम ब्लैक होल को इटसेल्फ आमको किसी देखा हुए तार ब्लैक होल चारिआडे जो एक्रिशन डिस्क तो ब्लैक होल चारिआडे जो माने ऑब्जेक्ट गुड़ा जमी मुव करे ना सहीटा को आम देखिए कहीपर कि सेंटर गोटे ब्लैक होल अच्छी ब्लैक होल निजर किसी माने एमती फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी नाही जोटा आम एठू मेजर करें अच्छी तीनटा अच्छी बट से बहुत डिफिकल्ट मेजर करिया एठू
ठीक है धन्यवाद खाली तुम एबे कह तुम तो एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स पढ़िल
सर
एबे आसिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कौन कर
सर सर आई केम हियर बट बाय एक्सीडेंट बट
आमर तो कौन सी आमर कोई डिपार्टमेंट अच्छी सरकार
एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स ओडिशा सरकार नहीं
कौन कर
सर मत लगे कि हेल्प हम
केमती कहूना
सर एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स मोर पर्सनालिटी को बहुत सेव कर माने मो हिसाब से
तुम पर्सनालिटी की सेव कर ठीक अच्छी बट सरकार केमती साहाय्य करिवो
सर
सरकार
गुड पर्सनालिटी तो मैं सब यार दरकार ना
स्पेस एप्लिकेशन सेंटर रे एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स आसीबो कि नहीं
यस सर
अच्छा आसीबो तो
यस सर
हमर तो ओडिशा स्पेस एप्लिकेशन सेंटर अछि वर्षाक
यस सर
जानी कि अच्छी बोली
नो सर आई डोंट नो
अच्छा इसरो को चंद्रयान 3 पई ओडिसा रु कोन जाइथिला किछि तार अछि एठी किछि इंस्टीट्यूट
यस सर तार इंस्टीट्यूट तो जाननी सर एते मो किंतु जाइथिला किछि गोटे
सीटीटी से नहीं एठी टूल सेट सब जाइथिला छोट छोट
हां जाइथिला किछि मु जानछि सर किंतु मतलब एग्जैक्टली मने नहीं
ओके
पड़े
ओके
ठीक अच्छे आम जीवा तुम यू आर अपीयरिंग एट द सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन
यस सर
फॉर गेटिंग इनटू OAS OFS एटसेट्रा
यस सर
तो व्हाट इज सुभद्रा योजना
Sir, it is a scheme for women where women will get monetary benefits from the government.
but what is its ultimate aim?
Ultimate aim I think sir is social empowerment of women.
Now why you are giving them assistance, financial assistance? Why you are giving them financial assistance?
Because they can start earning livelihood for themselves. I think sir.
So what is the criteria?
Sir, I don't know sir.
सुभद्रा योजना पढ़ी छ तो
पढ़ी जी सर न्यूज़पेपर
Criteria कौन? Criteria?
क्राइटेरिया तो मतलब मन नहीं
Age group?
सर
21 ରୁ ସେତେ
खाली मैंने न्यूज़पेपर
Quantum of assistance?
sir
Quantum of assistance?
5,000-6,000 I
No,
don't
no.
remember sir exactly.
It is-
पढ़ी सेटा
Yes sir.
सुभद्राटा
अच्छा
गोटे खाली ये साधारण तुमको से पचारि पारती
Sir.
हाउ इज सुभद्रा द सिंबल ऑफ एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ वुमेन व्हाई डिड दे चूज सुभद्रा नॉट आउ कोनोसी नारी शक्ति नथिले जो माने कि रियली दे हैव वर्कड इन द फील्ड ऑफ वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट
Yes, sir. सुभद्रा तो हम जगन्नाथ
बलभद्र सुभद्रा
बलभद्र सुभद्रा गॉडेस
से कौन नारी एम्पावरमेंट भितर करचंती
सी गोटे सर माने मतलब से गोटे थिंक सर
ठीक है चिंता करिवो हैला
Yes, sir.
बाकी सुभद्रा उपरे तांकर केते क्वांटम दिया असिस्टेंस
Yes.
हु आर द बेनिफिशियरी तांकर एलिजिबिलिटी ए सब गुडा जानिबो तापरे प्रधानमंत्री या बाबद रे मंतव्य चीफ मिनिस्टर मंतव्य आउ यार पूर्व सरकार जो थिले
Yes, sir.
वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट रे कोन कोन करिसंती
Yes, sir.
एनी आइडिया
No, sir.
नहीं
who is the sponsor of Indian hockey team?
Sir,
Who is the sponsor of Indian hockey team?
I don't know. Sponsor? Yes, sir. Yes, I got. I think, sir, it is chief minister.
चीफ मिनिस्टर
Yes, sir.
अच्छा आउ
means
आमर ठीक अच्छे चीफ मिनिस्टर हो तुम पाई तो ये जो कहा को ये बहुत फेलिसिटेट करागला हॉकी बाबद रे आमर ओडियार पुओ जने तब फेलिसिटेट करागला ना टंका दियागला सब दियागला
No, sir.
जानी ना
No, sir.
अच्छा क्रिकेट बाबद रे जानछ
No, sir.
को
Cricket,
गेम को भल पा
Football.
फुटबॉल
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
फुटबॉल बर्तमान इंडियन टीम रो कैप्टन किए इंडियन फुटबॉल टीम रो who is the famous person
आगुरी तो सुनील छेत्री थे बट रिटायर हो गए
ये
सुनील छेत्री थे बट रिटायर हो गए से
कैप्टेन कैप्टेन पचारुचंदी
जाननी सर
who scored the highest goal who was the Indian captain of the Indian team and scored the highest goal
छाड़ से तो बहुत ये अच्छा आपण गोटे कथा जानते फुटबॉल तो आपण लाइकिंग गेम तो
ये सर माने
ओडिया झियो जने फुटबॉल रे बहुत ये ना करथिले
बट आई नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड अबाउट
मु
फुटबॉल
खाली गेस करथि तांकर सरनेम सामंत राय
श्रद्धांजलि
अच्छा हो ते जानिबो ना तुम फुटबॉल कोच ओडिसा रो के करछन ए भारत रो के करछन जानिबो ना हां अच्छा तो तमे धर तहसीलदार पोस्टिंग हैला वीडियो ये जो वॉइस पहला पर कौन पोस्टिंग है वैज्ञानिक
नो सर
कौन है
तहसीलदार नाले वीडियो
वीडियो अच्छा तो तमे तहसीलदार पोस्टिंग हैला
सर
तुमको गोटे मैजिस्ट्रेट ड्यूटी पठा जाए जानि छ
सुनी सर
executive magistrate
ये जो मैजिस्ट्रेट
सर
to maintain law and order
से गोटे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन अराइज करा वाला
यस सर
लोक माने माडी आसुचंती पूरा ठेंगा पत्थर धरी के पूरा मारिबे बोली पुलिस पुलिस तमे मैजिस्ट्रेट अच्छा
सर
तो कौन करिवो माने जदि तमे किछि न करूच से माने माडी आसीबे बहुत किछि क्षति करिबे माने बस फस सब पोड़ी पकेबे कहार ऑफिस रे निया लगे देबे विभिन्न प्रकार करिवे तुमे कौन करिवो फायरिंग ऑर्डर दबो ना नहीं
नो सर फायरिंग ऑर्डर तो
किंतु
एट स्टार्ट
तुमको ये कहूँ फायरिंग ऑर्डर दियंतु न नहीं आमे भी फायरिंग करिवो पुलिस कहूँ आमे आम पुलिस वालों को बंचेबा पई आपन को फायरिंग ऑर्डर देवा पड़िवो
नो सर स्टिल मो माने सेटा लास्ट ऑप्शन चूज करी फायरिंग ऑर्डर
को पर्यंत जीवो
जते बेल जे माने एटलीस्ट माने पूरा पुलिस मानन को लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग कंप्लीटली हेनी मो फायरिंग ऑर्डर को प्रेफर करबिनी सर